A lot of the dental mills and dental chains around here, they kind of have one treatment that they can do, take out all your teeth, place implants, and then, give you a prosthesis there. And, for some people that's appropriate, but we've seen some people come in that, they've got a treatment plan in their hand and they say, I need all my teeth out, I need implants. I look at them, I say, no, we can save these teeth. I mean, so it's something you got to be aware of. When you go to some of these dental mills, these dental chains like that, just be aware that there may be other options out there that that can either save the teeth or something a little bit more conservative than just taking all the teeth out and placing a bunch of implants, and then a lot of times they don't even give you maintenance. They don't even like clean your implants after they're placed, which is a terrible idea because you want to go for a dental cleaning to get your teeth cleaned. You definitely want your implants cleaned as well, because believe it or not, you can get periodontal disease around implants. And a lot of what I treat on a day-to-day basis is implants that haven't had appropriate maintenance or just aren't as cleansable or aren't placed well, that are going downhill. And, I'm able to rehabilitate those implants a lot of the time. Some of the time they're too far gone, but, a lot of the time we are able to save some of these implants that just haven't been kept clean enough, or, weren't placed as ideally as they maybe should have been initially. So that, that's something that we've been able to do very well in our practice.